Cindy's Dream. One fine night, while deep in her sleep, little Cindy had a dream. She was in a colorful fantasy land with animals of all kinds and colors. First came the red giraffe with its long neck. "Hi, Cindy," it said and walked away. Next came the blue cat. "Meow, Cindy," it said and waddled off. Then came the pink rat. Creeping its way into the hole, it said, "Hi, Cindy, don't let the blue cat know that I'm here." Entering a beautiful garden, Cindy saw a white monkey. "Want some bananas, Cindy?" it said and ran with a bunch of bananas. Walking along a brook, Cindy spotted a green lion. "Roar, Cindy!" it roared, and Cindy ran as fast as she could. Upstream, she saw a purple turtle. "Don't be afraid, Cindy. It's just a dream," the turtle said and swam across the brook. Hearing the turtle, Cindy woke up from her dream. There was no lion and no turtle. Realizing that she was tucked safe in her cozy little bed, she smiled and fell asleep again.